Hello, my people. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about one of the most important things when it comes to lands in Anambra State. How to verify if the land you're buying is real, safe, and legal. Because in this land matter, ignorance is not just expensive, it's a generational loss. So stick around and I'll walk you through the documents you need and where to check them before you even pay one kobo. Please like and subscribe. So in Anambra, land wahala no dey finish o. And I'm sure many of you have heard sometimes if it even leads not just to loss of money, but also to loss of lives. Especially when you buy without doing proper verification. Too many people have bought lands from fake agents only for someone else to show up with court papers or family elders demanding the land back. Verifying the land is what protects you, your money, your future, and your peace of mind. So please walk with me. Here are the key documents you should ask for before buying any land. Number 1, the deed of assignment. This document proves the transfer of ownership and make sure it is signed and ideally registered. Number 2, the survey plan. This shows the actual boundaries and location of the land. Must match the physical site. Number 3, the certificate of occupancy. That's the CFO. This is the government's way of saying, yes, this land is legally yours. Not every land has this, especially in the rural areas, the villages. Many lands in the villages doesn't have CFO because most lands in the villages are inheritances from generations passed down to generation, or it is communally owned. But for the cities, yes, it's a big deal. It is the strongest proof of ownership. If you're buying any land in any city in Anambra State, please make sure that the land comes with CFO. Number 4 is the power of attorney. If anyone is selling land on behalf of another person, please make sure that this person provides you with the power of attorney given to him by the original owner of the land. Number 5, the family agreement or the community consent. So if you're looking at buying from the rural areas or villages, make sure that all the necessary elders sign this document. Now, the last but not the least, tax clearance or receipt. Sometimes it is not really important as the other documents listed, but sometimes it is used as a supporting document. So we'll now go into how to verify this document. But before we dive into that, please like, share, and subscribe. So how do you verify that all these documents are authentic? Step 1, please make sure you visit the Ministry of Lands in Awka. Go to the land registry and request a land search. They'll tell you if the land has a CFO or it's under acquisition or involved in any litigation, that is any court proceedings or wahala that is already in court. Step 2, visit the office of the Surveyor General. Here you're going to need survey plan, one of the documents we listed earlier. Go with this, a copy of this document to the office of the Surveyor General and use the survey plan number to confirm if this land is real and it sits on where the survey plan says it sits on the map. Number 3, please hire a real estate lawyer. Because from our experience, some of these fake land agents connive with insiders working at some of these offices in government to swindle people of their hard-earned money. So if you can, do not do these verifications yourself. Hire a real estate lawyer. Lawyers know how to inspect deeds and spot forgeries. Let them do their due diligence. Step 4. Talk to the community or the town union. Sometimes the best way to confirm land ownership is to ask the right elders or the town chairman. They will tell you if the land has been sold or if it's under any litigation or problems or quarrels. Now, we'll go into the red flags you should watch out for. So, you have to be careful. If 1, the seller is in a hurry to get paid. Number 2, if the name on the documents, on the different documents you requested doesn't match, that's a red flag. Number 3, if they won't let you meet the elders or the landowners. Number 4, if the survey plan is not clear, please avoid it. If the survey plan is also missing some coordinates, avoid that land. If they start telling you, don't worry, we'll do the papers after payment, Abobi, they go use you shine. These are all the dangers and signs that should make you instantly walk away from any deal. Don't do it. Don't do that business if you spot any of these things. So that's it, my people. So if you follow these steps, you would have reduced your risks of land problems in Anambra State by almost 90%. Now, if you ever tried to verify land before or fell into a land scam, please drop your story in the comments. Let's help others avoid the same mistake. Like this video, share it with someone that is planning to buy a land, and don't forget to subscribe for more land advice and upcoming videos. Thank you.